All right, as we head into our weekend, we are experiencing another round of snow, and this next storm system will take a similar path to the one that left us with snow this morning, meaning areas south and east. This one comes to us from our friends in Colorado, starts winding through portions of Nebraska early tomorrow, and by the midday hours, it'll be pushing into eastern South Dakota and southern Minnesota. Fargo on the northern fringe of this one again, and it will blast the Twin Cities with bands of heavy snow. And if you're traveling in that general direction, you can expect some spots to pick up several inches, 6 to 9. For us, this is a look from our Dakota Magic Casino cam. This is I-29 northbound toward Fargo, and a white scene there. Here's a look at your current conditions in Fargo. 10 degrees, feels like 2 below. Moorhead, we have 9 out there with a south-south wind is blowing at about 8 miles per hour. Temperatures just updating at Gwinner 3, Valley City 9, and Langdon 7. Thief River, you have 10 degrees, and Bemidji 16 with 14 in Wadena. So everyone in the single digits and mid-teens. Snow out of here, clear skies as we head into the evening. With fresh snow on the ground, we're going to cool off fairly quickly into the overnight hours. But again, the national picture showing stormy and rainy weather causing flooding concerns into the Great Lakes region once again as we head into the weekend. For us, a quiet evening. Expect temperatures to slip quickly into the single digits. Some of us may even briefly spend some time below zero, but overnight the wind becomes southerly ahead of this next weather maker, and that should keep us from getting too awful cold out there. Still, single digits to start out our Saturday morning. Now, as we head through the midday hours, we'll have clouds increase from the south. Notice snow. As we head through the noon hour, we'll be pushing into eastern South Dakota. So Sisseton will be very close to you, and southern Minnesota as well. Heading through the mid-afternoon hours, things get pretty heavy down toward the Twin Cities. My kneecaps there, that purple you see, heavy bands of snow heading into the Twin Cities. Their temperatures near 32 will be warming into the 20s for many of us. And again, if you're in Grand Forks and points east of there and west and north of there rather, you'll see very little in the way of snow. All right, so maybe an inch, closer to 3 inches as we get down into parts of central Minnesota for Otter Tail and Becker counties, Wadena counties once again, 3 to 6 plus as you go to the Twin Cities. We'll hear some 8-inch or more totals down in that general direction. It'll be a little windier too down in the Twin Cities with it too. So travel could become tricky. There's a winter storm warning for the Twin Cities and points south and east of St. Cloud. Winter weather advisory for our south and east counties, including you in Richland County, Becker and Otter Tail, and Grant counties as well. Planning forecast, 3 degrees to start your morning. And as we go through the day, south winds, warm temperatures in the 20s. Our best chance of snow begins mid-afternoon here in the FM area, continuing into the evening. And I do think an inch or two is what we can expect here by the end of the day. 23 in Thief River, 20 tomorrow afternoon in Valley City, and 25 for Bemidji with increasing snow chances into the evening. Beautiful starry skies here. Tiffany uploading a dandy photo from Comstock, Minnesota. Now, once we get through this hiccup on Saturday, Sunday's looking pretty good. We'll be near 30 here in the FM area. Then as we head into Monday, look at this, 35. Sunny and 30 Tuesday, Sunday sunny and 32 Wednesday, and how about that 38 on Friday after a brief shot of snow? I don't know if I'm doing my math right, but that's pretty close to 40.
But we don't want to round up just yet.
No,
right?
We got to take a couple other things into consideration.
Yeah.
But we'll see how that goes through the week.
Thanks, Ed.
You bet.